Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to insert an image inside Photoshop. So with that being said, let's go ahead and click on Photoshop and let's open it. Just for your information, this video will help you in any single version of Photoshop. So for me, I'm using the 2019 version. If you have any latest version or oldest version, it will still work for you. So now let's get ahead and click on File, click on New, and let's choose whatever template we want. And now after opening this template, we need to insert a picture. How to do so? Well, actually there is multiple methods to do it. For example, let's just go in our picture gallery and just drag whatever picture we want. For example, this one, just drag it to Photoshop, and here you go, it will be inserted inside your template. There's another method, which is clicking on File, and from here we click on Open, and from here as well we click on whatever picture we want. So we click on, for example, on this picture, and it will be inserted as well in Photoshop. How to drag it inside our project? Just click twice in here, okay, and then move it inside your project. If these three methods didn't work, you can just click on File again and open Recent, and from here you can just choose whatever picture you have here. So if you the latest downloaded image on your PC, it will be shown in here. So that was it with this video today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe, and see ya in the next tutorial. Have a nice day and bye bye.